Every sentence that you have ever spoken, no matter how long or complicated, is built from just 8 basic building blocks. Every student that start learning a new language and any new word that pops up in front of them, they feel the urgency to memorize it. So know the 8 parts of a speech, English stops overwhelming you. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you the 8 parts of a speech. Let's start. Noun. Noun comes from a Latin word nomen. A noun is a name of a person, place, thing, or any abstract idea. For example, Ali bought a wooden table. Ali is a person. Table is a thing. Pronoun is used in place of noun to avoid repetition. It can be a subject, object, complement of a linking verb, or object of preposition. For example, she is my sister. In this, she is a subject. So in here, the pronoun is used as a subject. Second example, I called him. Adjective gives information about the noun, size, shape, number, quantity, or quality. For example, it is a wooden chair. Wooden is adjective, chair is noun. She bought an Hermes bag. In this, Hermes is adjective, bag is noun. He felt excited. There are many students. Verb expresses the action taken by the subject in a sentence. For example, I live in Kuala Lumpur. Joe is sick. My dad is a doctor. Adverb describes or modifies verb, adjective, or adverb itself. It tells us about how, what, when, where, and to what extent. She sings beautifully. To find the adverb in the sentence, we need to ask how she sings. Then comes the word beautifully. It tells us that beautifully is adverb. He arrived yesterday. When we ask when, it gives us information directly, yesterday. So yesterday is adverb in the sentence. She is very happy. Now to find adverb in this sentence, we will ask to what extent she is. And the word very. It is adverb in the sentence. Preposition tells us about the relationship between things and people. It usually talks about the position of the things or people. For example, the book is on the table. In the sentence, on is preposition. Conjunction comes from a Latin word which means to join together. Conjunction is a joining word which joins word, clauses, or phrases together. For example, I like coffee and tea. She was tired, but she kept doing her homework. There, in this sentence, but is a conjunction. Interjection is a word, phrase, or a short sentence that expresses the sudden feelings, such as joy, victory, sadness, grief, excitement, and so on. Wow, that is amazing. Bravo. Well done. So this brings us to the end. If these 8 building blocks, which are also called parts of a speech, make sense now, so like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you stay updated about every new episode of the Basic English Grammar series.